In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can group rows in automated and manual ways in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some data. We just want to group those data into different groups. So let's start. Here first of all, we'll go with automated process. For this you just need to select any of the cell and then you just go to data tab. Here there is an option which is outline. Go there, and there is an option also which is group. Click the arrow button and you will see an option which is auto outline. Click there and look, you can see that our data has been grouped based on their outline. And now if you want to expand or collapse the data, then you can do it easily with plus and minus button. If we click to the plus button, you can see that group 1 data has been expanded, and on the other hand if you enter the minus button, then you can see that the group 2 data has been collapsed. Now if you want to remove this group from this data, you can do it with the same way. Just go to the ungroup option, just clear the outline. You will see all the grouping data has been collapsed. Now let's do with manual process. Suppose we want to do this data to a group. So we are selecting this and go to data tab again, and again to group you just need to click the group. Here we are selecting row because we are selecting those data to group. So click OK. You will see that there is a group appear there. And now if we want to do this for this data, you can do it with group and then click again, and now with the group 3 you can do it. Just click OK. And if you want to make one group with all the data, you can also do it. Just go select this data and click group and click OK. You can see that there is a total group here. If you click minus, all the data will be disappear. This is how you can add group. And if you want to delete this group, just you need to select the data and ungroup and then click OK. First group has been removed. Now go for the second group as well as for the third group. And if you want to remove all the group from this, just select all the data and ungroup this with the ungroup rows. Click OK. Now this data has been ungrouped. This is how you can easily group rows in Microsoft Excel with two processes, which is automated and manual. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.